Now I will show you how to create the survey using Google Forms. Now click on this, click on more, then Google Forms. So it is untitled form, so I will give the title survey. Then automatically this will take the title survey. So fill the survey, that is description I have added. Now suppose questions. Now I can write the questions. What is your satisfaction? What is satisfaction level? Whether it is up to the mark. For example, if suppose this is a video I have created and I want to create the survey for this video. Now I will write the first question. So what is satisfaction level for this video? What is satisfaction level for this video? Now the type comes as a multiple choice, but actually in survey you can have the linear scale. So I am selecting linear scale 1 to 5. You can have 1 to 10 also. So I am keeping it as 1 to 5. Now what is the label for 1, and if suppose not satisfied. Therefore, if you are selecting 1, it is not satisfied. And if you select 5, then very much satisfied. So there are levels. 2 means satisfied, 3 means more satisfied, and 5 means very much satisfied. So there are levels. So you can have that as a required question. Now similarly you will have another question, so you can duplicate what is satisfaction level for audio of this video. So what is the satisfaction, or what is the level of audio you are getting, not satisfied or satisfied? So those are the two questions I have created as a survey. Now you can keep the name of the person, so you can drag it to the first. So name of person. So this is required, you can keep, and this short answer type. Nothing but question addition, import question. This is section addition, so I can add the section. So this is the section 1, name of the person, where you can add the question. I want this in the first. Suppose mobile number. So 2 questions in first section, and this is section 2. So I have shown section 2 is rate the video. Similarly you can add more sections also in the survey. Now after adding those, you can have the responses. So you can create a spreadsheet. So create it. So this is the spreadsheet created for the responses. Then you can send this survey. So you can change the theme also. Theme I have changed. You can change the image. If suppose work and school, suppose this is the image I have created, inserted. So this is the image inserted. Then I can see the preview of that form. This is the survey form, how it look. Next, then it will go to second section. Then settings, you can collect the email addresses. Here email is not given, so you can collect it. You can limit one response to 1. You will give edit after submit, summary chart seeing. Now you can send it. You can send it via email, you can send it by link. So I am sending it by link and copy. So the link can be sent for the survey. Now I will see how that survey can be submitted. Suppose this is the survey, and if the person wants to submit the survey, so person will submit name, put the number. I have submitted the number. So this is the first section. So I will go to next section. by clicking next. So this is the next. So I can rate the video. So what is the satisfaction level? Yeah. What is the audio level of this video? Yeah. And then you can submit it. So this is nothing but the response has been submitted. So as per our settings, the person can submit another response also. Now after submission, the creator of the survey will see the responses. So this is nothing but response. Summary, you can see how many persons have submitted. One response, one person has submitted. Then this is mobile number, what is the rating of the video. So here you can get the graphs also. This is the graph. Then as per question, then individual, he can see the individual. Also he can see the responses into sheet. So this is nothing but response of the sheet. What is satisfaction level in this one? So if multiple people have submitted the survey, then he can see the graph, plotting of the graph. He can do the summation. He can analyze it. So this is nothing but Excel, like Excel. It is a spreadsheet where you can analyze the survey. So what is the satisfaction level? What is the audio level and all? So that's analyzed into the response sheet. So this is nothing but how the survey can be created and survey can be collected.